Do you have an intruder in your relationship, being your marriage? It's a woman snatching your husband from you, or it's a woman snatching your boyfriend from you. If you are in that category, then please get closer. This video belongs to you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ant hills to separate whoever is attaching or is in love with your husband. You will need cola, you will need gin, and then you write your husband's name on a piece of paper. If you know the lady, you attach her name. But if you don't know the lady, or you don't know the lady's name, all you need to do is whoever is moving with my husband or my boyfriend today, as I'm about to do these rituals, may you separate. May you never have peace with my husband. You write all those things, all the things that you want, you write it on the paper. But your husband's name should be first. So you write it from home. So when you get to the ant hills, you offer cola, which signifies respect. You understand? Cola. And then water. You give the ant hills water and place your coin. After you've placed your coin, that is when you are about to tell your ant hills why you are there. And you narrate whatever brought you there. When you are done, you look around the ant hills, the ones where the ants are. Then you spray on it again and fold it and put that paper into the hole. When you are done putting the paper into the hole, then you pour the gin straight into that hole. I'm telling you, it works like magic. Within 7 days, you should have a testimony. Within 7 days, you should see signs. These antihills have spiritual powers. And the more they get closer to the paper, you see that if it's a side chick or somebody you know, or a woman that you know that is disturbing your husband, you see that they'll be having confusion. That relationship is not going to hold. And I promise you, your husband will come back home and tell you, honey, my dear, thank you for praying for me. Your husband will begin to tell you things that he did behind the scene. Try this and let me know at the comment section. I want to see your testimony at the comment section. Please subscribe, like, and share. There are more series of videos coming on with these anthills. Anthills are that hill anthills mud that you see. That mud was used for creation. So let's trade with caution. There are more series on the anthills that we'll be discussing about.